Hi, this is Design Guy, ready to give your tech some serious wow factor with easy Canva animation tricks? Click Create to begin, then choose Videos from the options. For this demonstration, select the landscape orientation. After selecting landscape, you'll see template options. Use the search bar to find a specific template and continue customizing your landscape video project. You can explore available elements here and choose the Videos option. Browse through the video selections or use the search bar to find a specific video by keyword. Click on your chosen video to add it directly to your project for editing and customization. First, click the Try This button to begin the interactive session. This allows you to experiment with available features directly. Next, select the Add Text option from the menu to input your desired content. Type your text in the provided field. Once finished, use the formatting tools to customize your text style or appearance as needed. Click Save to apply your changes and complete the process. For this example, click on the element you want to update. Next, select the font option to change its style. If you'd like to edit the text color, click on the text to highlight it. Then, look for the color picker or text color button in the toolbar and select your preferred color. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve your desired look. When you're finished, double-check your changes to ensure everything appears as intended. This process allows you to easily customize and personalize your design elements. You can resize the element by clicking and dragging its corners. To adjust the text, click directly on the text box and start typing. You can edit the existing text or delete it if needed. To add more text, click the Add Text button or use the text tool from the toolbar. Position the new text box where you want it on your design, then type your desired content. To follow up, open your project and locate the relevant item. Click on it to open the details. Use the comment section to add your update. Click Save to record your follow-up note. First, approve the file you need. Once the file is approved, navigate to the Elements tab on the main menu. Click on Elements to open the options available. In the search bar at the top of the Elements section, type in Dialog. Press Enter or click the search icon to see results related to dialog. Browse through the dialog elements, then select the one you want to use in your project. Add your text to the slide. Select the text, then go to the animation panel. Choose the Typewriter animation effect. Apply the effect to your text. Adjust the animation settings as needed for timing and direction. Once you've set it up, click the play button to preview the animation. Make further adjustments if necessary for the desired result. To adjust the speed, use the Ascend tool and lower the playback speed slightly. Then, move the playhead to the start of the track. Click the play button to preview your changes from the beginning, and ensure the audio sounds correct at the new, slower speed setting. Adjust the design to align the text properly. Select the text layer and use the alignment tools to ensure it's leveled. This prevents any visible delay when the text appears during playback. Once aligned, play the animation again to confirm the text displays smoothly and as intended. Lower the volume since there are no pauses in this section. Adjust the slider to reduce the sound to your desired level. Once you've set the volume, click the Clean button to apply the changes and remove any unwanted background noise from the audio. Select the point where the text is fully revealed on your timeline. Click to set your marker at this position. Now, select the corresponding layer that controls the text appearance. Play back the animation to check the timing and ensure the text reveals as expected. If needed, adjust the marker layer until you're satisfied with the result. Next, use the Zoom tool to zoom out on the timeline for a better overall view. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, you're finished with this step. To add audio to your video, start by selecting the Elements tab. Scroll down until you see the audio section, then click on it. Here, you can add various audio tracks to your project. Use the search bar to find a specific sound or browse through the available audio options. Once you find a sound you like, click on it to add it to your video timeline. Adjust the audio placement as needed to fit your project. Drag the item into the player's inventory, then locate the safe. Click to open the safe and drop the item inside. Confirm that the item is securely stored within the safe before closing it to finish. The image looks good. Next, check the video quality settings. Adjust if needed. When you're satisfied, click the download button to save your video to your device. Try out your new pro-level text animations in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more creative tricks.